Greetings, it is April 8th, 2021. I've done a pencil outline for what will be Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series artwork 45. It will be the fourth work in the series that will be a parody of the destruction of common sense, fundamentals of graphic design. This one's going to be a C-Not, S-E-E-N-O-T, maybe K-N-O-T, Sea Beast, S-E-A, maybe S-E-E, Beast or Beastie, a parody of Microsoft, Facebook, and Google graphic design, which use an extraordinary amount of light value, low contrast type that's not approved by any optometrist, at least on planet Earth, maybe on planet Gauze or somewhere in some far distant galaxy. So it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyes. And have a lot of letters in there because it's going to be designed to be a Google, Facebook, and Microsoft home, like eye exam, like optometry chart of the sort that optometrists use, except this is going to be a parody one in terms of the alphanumerics, letters and numbers. In an optometry exam, they only project letters and numbers, alphanumerics in black, high contrast type. There are no prescriptions for corrective eyewear, of course, for any type that's non-black, non-high contrast, which is now ubiquitous, commonplace in zillions of websites and an enormous amount of hard copy publication text nowadays. All right, to be continued. Thank you for the fine musical accompaniment over there to the two budgereaders. Good job, guys, gals. Very good. All right, to be continued.